Welcome back to Fired Up Garage. Out here today test driving a beautiful Cadillac XLR. It's got a great sound to it, great look to it. This is pretty much an all original with the exception of some engine mods and the exhaust, which, man, just can't beat the sound of that exhaust. Does have the heads-up display, so I can see what gear I'm in. I can put it in manual shift and shift it there. It's kind of like a Corvette, but more of like a gentleman's Corvette, I guess you could say. Higher quality finishes throughout. You know, a lot of people complain about the Corvettes feeling real plasticky. This one's got more leather feel. I think a little bit higher quality materials. This is a V8, Northstar V8, 32 valve. Runs great. Down in the low RPMs, quiet, and just a joy to drive. But when you get on it, man, it sounds a little wild. This has a hardtop on it, but it is a power folding hardtop. So right here you got your button.